Everyone, my name is Harry Denton, and this is a quick retrospective introduction lesson for anybody that wants to use our Python REPL.it speedruns as a complete introduction to Python for beginners. So I'm going to assume absolutely nothing. I'm going to assume you don't have a REPL.it account, you haven't signed up to the Python course on REPL.it, and I'm going to show you how to do that, hopefully very quickly. So the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to sign up and sign up for a REPL.it account. That's REPL.it, and then you can sign up with a Google login or a GitHub login or a Facebook, or you can do it the old-fashioned way with just a username and password. I've already signed up. Once you've signed in, you're going to have to verify your email address. So I just did all of that. So you should have email, password set up, login. Now, once you're logged in, it can be a little bit confusing, the interface. You can make your own REPLs. You can look at templates. There's all sorts of tutorials. But actually, what we want to do is we want to go and find the complete Python course and signed up. So I'm going to click on my account name at the top left. Then I'm going to click on the account link here. I can then say a bit about myself, set up other things about my account. I'm just going to click save. Information is updated, and then the link that I really need is this link. Actually, no, this link here, Learn Teach. Okay, if I click on that link, it should take me to all of the complete courses. Okay, there's a few here. If you're interested, JavaScript, Java, C#, front end, HTML, CSS, and JS. There's actually lots more than there was last time I looked, I think. But the course that we use in our videos and the one that I recommend for learning Python as an introduction is this course here, auto-graded course with solutions in Python. And it's by a lovely chap called Vitaly Pavlenko. He is the creator. He made this course, I think him and his colleagues. Also the creator of snakeify.org, which is a fantastic website for all things to do with learning Python. And those links are also in the REPLITs themselves. Okay, so just going back. So what I need to do, and what you would need to do if you wanted to do the course, is you click on the course here, and then it's going to give you two options. You can teach it, or you can take it and learn it. And if you're going to be following our videos and learning Python yourself as a beginner, then you're going to do this. You're going to click take and learn. Okay, obviously if you're a teacher, click the other one, important teach. There's an easy way to share your course with your students and send them all the link. Okay, so now this has been added to my student dashboard. I click on my student dashboard and you can see here is the course. Okay, and from now I can simply just click on this and it'll bring up a list of all of the tasks, just like in my videos, and you can go through the tasks individually yourselves. You can, and I certainly recommend having a look, playing around with the REPLs themselves, running the code, entering in values. I mean, this is a REPL. This is how it works. There's a code window for writing your Python code. There's an input and output window for running and input and outputting information from your Python. And there is a bit of theory and instruction. And these are all from Vitaly. And if you need a bit of help with the theory, you can just copy and paste these URLs into another tab in your browser, and you can read the theory and come back to the course. But that is you set up to start the Python speedrun REPL.it course with me, Mr. Denton, and Mr. Vince Chu and Dylan Chu. One thing just to explain, okay, so if you log out, you come back to your account, okay, it's not always immediately obvious, okay, where the course is, and I know some of my students have had some trouble finding the course again. So obviously you go to REPL.it, you log in, and then to find the course, you're going to need to go to your account, and then that should give you a link to your student dashboard. Okay, and there we go. Click on the student dashboard, and There we go. That's the auto-graded course with solutions in Python. That's the one we use in the REPL.it Python speedrun videos that we've made. And you can just start coding and getting on with the course. So welcome and good luck learning Python. Thanks.